Hey guys, it's Mr. Breitholtz. I am going to walk you through how to create a file for laser cutting using Tinkercad. So we can use Tinkercad or Illustrator for laser cutting. So Tinkercad will just be a little bit easier to get started. So when you're in Tinkercad, you're going to sign in and sign in with Google, of course. And we are loading. So I'll select my account. And when I get in, I'll have my main space, right? So on the left, I have 3D designs, circuits, code blocks, and lessons. So I'm going to stay in 3D designs. I'm just going to click create new design. And whenever I create a design, I want to make sure that I title it the appropriate thing first, because this title, for one, won't tell you what it is. And also, when you go to send it to have it cut, we won't know whose it is or what it is. So I'm going to title it my name and grade. And I want to put in here laser. So now I'm going to design what I would like to put in the laser cutter. So on the side, of course, just as normal, I have the wide variety of shapes and things that I can play with and work with and to create something. So I'm just going to keep it really simple. Of course, what you design will be for your user's needs, because everything we do in the design class is thinking about the user. So I'm going to go ahead and drag my starting shape over, or form. And then it's going to, when you do this, it's going to cut basically in the shape of the outline. So I just made a top view right here so you can see kind of the outline. So it's not going to matter the three-dimensional quality. It's just going to be from this top view, it's going to cut that. So I have this object, and I'm just going to go ahead and put in another object. And I'm going to put in another object. All right, and I'm just kind of making something really quick just to show you guys how to do this. So I'm going to group all of these, of course. So I'll highlight all of them. And on the top up here, it says group. So I'm going to group them. And there'll be one object now. All right, now in order to export for laser cutting, when I click export on the top up here, there's an option that says for laser cutting. You may have noticed this before. So it says the selected shape, but I'm going to do everything in my design since I want all of it. I'm going to click this .svg. That is a laser cut file. So that'll communicate to the laser what we're looking to do. It's going to download that onto my computer into my files. And then that file I can turn in via Classroom in the laser files turn-in folder. And I will be able to then put that into Illustrator and cut that file. So that's the basics of how to export something for laser cutting. Thanks.